centimeter square. Here pressure is given in which terms? It is given in the terms of meter square. So either I convert this per centimeter square or convert this part into meter square. So how do I convert it? We know 100 centimeter equal to how much? 1 meter. Right? 100 centimeter is how much? 1 meter. All of us know that, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is 1 centimeter equal to? Can I write 1 by 100 meter? 1 centimeter, can I write it as 1 by
Yes,
100
sir.
meter? Okay. So I'll write it in a more convenient way, 10 power minus 2 meter. So 1 centimeter is how much? 10 power minus 2 meter. Right? If 1 centimeter
Yes,
is 10
sir.
power, 1 centimeter square will be equal to how much? 10 power minus 2 meter whole square. So can I say 1 centimeter square equal to 10 power minus 4 meter square? Does this make sense to all of you? I mean, or do all
Yes,
of you
sir.
understand this part?
Sir, can you repeat it? I actually didn't
So what am I
understand.
doing is, because the unit here is centimeter square and this pressure is given in terms of Newton per meter square. So I'm trying to convert this unit of centimeter square to meter square. So we know 100 centimeter is 1 meter. I divide both sides by 100. I'll get 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. Now 1 by 100 in terms of indices can be written as 10 power minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? Right. So if it is 10 power minus 2, now I'm squaring both sides. If I square both sides, 1 into 1 is how much? 1. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Then 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 is how much? 10 power minus 4 meter square. Right? So I'm getting 1 centimeter square equal to how much? 10 power minus 4 meter square. I hope that is clear.
Understood. Yeah.
Understood? Yeah. Any doubt to
Yeah.
anyone? Now, so this would be equal to 40 centimeters square can be written as 40 into 10 power minus 4 meters square, or 40 into 10 power minus 4 meters square. Now let me use the formula. F equal to, what is pressure? 1.01 into 10 power 5. Right? Yeah, into 40 into 10 power minus 4. Is that fine? So from this, what do I get? I get F equal to 1.01 into 40 into 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 4. So how much is that? So I can write F equal to 1.01 into 400. Can I write it like this? 40 into 10 here. So that is 4 into 101. Is that okay?
Yes.
Or 404 Newton. I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please, sir, can you please explain in the last step?
Last step,
1.0
I'll
into
just
400.
no, you can directly do from here. So what I done is I written 4 as 4 into 100.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
1.01 into 100 can be written 101.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what am I getting? I'm getting around 404 Newton. Around 404 Newton of, force acting on the head of a person whose head is having a surface area of around 40 centimeters square. I hope that is clear.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the amount of force that every person whose head is having a area of 40 centimeters square. I'm not very sure what are the dimensions of the head, but that is the weight that we always carry whenever we are on the surface of Earth. Right? So there is a constant pressure of around 100,000 Newton per meter square acting on everyone. Fine. So everyone is under pressure. Nobody can say that I'm not in pressure, not under pressure. So everybody who is on the surface of Earth is experiencing a pressure of around 10.5 meter per meter.
Sir, actually, our body is being like crushed by 14 tons of pressure, but then we don't feel it due to the air pockets in our lungs and other places.
Oh, well, that's again, piece of information. Why we don't feel it? Because our body's internal pressure is also equal to that. So the net pressure acting is 0, right? So that's
Yeah.
why we don't feel the pressure of it. So our body is having a system of self-adjusting the pressure. Fine. But of course, there is an upper limit beyond which we cannot go. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
And so this is roughly to give you an idea how much force is acting on the head of a person, right? And the other things that we see is what is the actual force that a rough person, I don't know what is the dimensions of that, whether it is 40 or more than that, whatever. So this might be the approximate force that every person is experiencing on their head, right? So shall we go ahead? Now let's look
Yes.
at the properties of pressure. So whenever we have change in units, we have to change them into the units that we know. I mean, if this is in meters, I should have this as in meters. I can do the other way also, but it's always to convert the units into standard units. That is kilogram, meter, and second. So I just wrap this. Now let's look at other things. I hope you understood what is pressure. So once I hope you understood what is pressure. Pressure is force acting per unit surface area. Fine. So we are talking, we are just now we are seeing what is pressure due to the atmosphere on the surface of head of a person. Now let's go for other simple examples which will make things better or clearer to us, right? So let's say I have a mass M. I have a mass M and I'm keeping this mass M on the surface of Earth. Then what is the force with which this mass is pushing the ground down? It is pushing with a force M into A. What is acceleration? I can write G, which is equal to acceleration due to gravity. So do let me know if you're not able to follow this. What is force? According to second law, we got force equal to mass into acceleration, right? So if a body is near the surface of Earth, even though it is in contact, I think I asked you whether gravity is a contact force or non-contact force.
Non-contact force.
It's a non-contact force. That means what? Even when it is in contact with the ground, there is a gravitational force which is acting on it. And what is force given by mass into acceleration? What is the acceleration that the gravity is causing? We represent it by G. So what is the force of gravity that is acting on the object? Can I say it is M into G? So all of you do let me know whether this is clear to you or not. Any doubt in this expression to anyone? Because that's going
There I
to
didn't understand the last the formula you just wrote. Like
F
the
equal
force
to
of gravity.
Okay, F equal to MA. Do you understand that, Ronak?
Sir, it was Akshat.
Sorry, yeah, Akshat. F equal to M into A. Do you understand that? Mass into acceleration?
Yeah.
M, yeah. So G is nothing but representing acceleration which is caused by gravity.
Oh, acceleration caused by gravity.
So there we just say any acceleration, but we are very specific that here it is acceleration caused by gravity. Fine.
Okay.
So once again, I'm asking, yeah, anyone else?
Sir, then can we write Fg is equal to mg?
FG, yeah, fine. So it's, this is just to tell you that you write it as FG, F Ronak, but write Ronak is gravity. Fine, anything. It doesn't make a difference, but make sure it is. So FG is equal to mg on Ronak's, let's say, advice. Fine. So Ronak's choice, it is Fg equal to mg. I hope it's fine now, all of you. Fg, where G denotes acceleration due to gravity. Is that clear to all of you? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
No, sir, no doubt.
Yeah. So I need a little more from you. I just want to know, do you know what is volume? Formula of volume? Volume of a cube.
Yes, sir.
What is volume of a cube?
Sir,
If a
L
cube is-
cube.
Okay, if a cube is having side A, what is volume of a cube? A cube, right? If it is having side L, L cube. All of you know this? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, all of you know that. Very good. Anyone who doesn't know this? Volume of a cube is how much? A cube. Volume of a cuboid, this is cube. If I have a cuboid, something of the, yes. So Let's say this is L, let's say this is B, and this is H. So what is volume of a cuboid? All of you know this is LBH. Do all of you know this? Volume of a cuboid is LBH. We'll not go beyond that. We'll only use cubes and cuboids, nothing more than that. So one more thing that I would be needing for this part. I'll just keep this part which is necessary for you. This is if I keep a mass M on the surface of Earth, what is force due to gravity? M into G. Fine. One more thing. What is area of a square? If I have a square, what is area of a square?
Per side square.
So can I write it as A square? And what is area of a rectangle?
Length into breadth.
So can I write this as area equal to L into B? Fine. So this part of mathematics, all of you know, right? Area of a rectangle is how much? L into B. Okay, so all yeses. No no's at all. Fine. So let's go ahead with this. I'll just rub this part because I'm confident that all of you know this. Let me take a small question to go forward. Now, when we try to understand the next thing, let's try to. What I'll take, I have a cuboid. No, I think it doesn't look like a cuboid, but it is a cuboid. So let's say this is 10 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters, and this is some 6 centimeters. You're getting it? So I have a cuboid, which is like this, 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Now, mass of this cuboid is 10 kilograms, and acceleration due to gravity, I can safely take is 10 meters per second square. So this is how the cuboid is placed. Now, find the pressure applied by the cuboid. So I have a block of mass 10 kg, which has dimensions 10 into 5 into 6. I'm placing this on the ground as shown, right? Where 6 centimeters is perpendicular to the ground. Now, what are you required to find? You're required to find the pressure applied by the block on the ground. I hope the question is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's great. So go ahead now.
Sir, I got it as 5.
Yeah, it's okay. So all of you, please, put the answers in the chat box so that I can check. I'll just have a little water and come. Fine. So is the answer ready? 5. Akshat got 5. Ronak got 1/30, and Kavya got. Ronak, you got so many answers. 1/30, 10. Ashok got 10.
Sir, every time it comes different, but 1/30 is my final answer.
10.
Checked
sorry.
it 2 times.
Isn't it 10?
So you take it as 1/30. Fine. So that's the final answer. Shaumik 100. Shaumik,
10, yeah.
I need the units also.
Sir, I think it's 10 pascals.
You think it is 10 Pascal. Okay, what others think? Alex, silent spectator. Arjun, why you have been so silent? Divya, your answer not yet given. Yeah, Arjun, you can type the answer. Whatever answer you're getting, you can just type it. So let me see what answer do I get. Majority is, so we have 10, 100, 1/30. 30 seconds more. Then we'll discuss about the answer. Okay, Ronak, I'll solve it because I see a couple of people are still solving. Fine. So let me see what Arjun goes with 100. Fine. Let me see what I do get. Divya, what is your answer? Ishan, what about you? What is the answer? Ishan, please type your answer. Not sure. Kavya, yes, your answer. Akriti, fine. So let's see. How do we do this? Now, what is pressure equal to? Force per unit area, right? So how can I write what is force? We are seeing force is mg. Here, as per Ronak's choice, Fg by area. What is area, which is on which part it is acting? This part. So how much is area? How much is area?
Sir, 30 centimeter.
How was it 30, sir?
No, sir, 300 centimeter.
So on which face it is resting? It is resting on this part. So area is 10 centimeters into 5 centimeters. So that is equal to 10 into 5 is how much? 50 centimeters square. What is area? Area is 50 centimeters square, right? Now, if I want to convert this into meters square, how much will that be equal to? 50 into 10 power minus 4 meters square. Because we have seen in the last question, what is 1 centimeter square equal to? 10 power minus 4 meters square. Fine. So let's put it now. So what will be pressure? I'll put the values here. M is 10, G is 10 by 50 into 10 power minus 4. So what will that be equal to? That is 2 into 10 power 4 Pascal. Right? So, or 20,000 Pascal. You're getting it? So, a mass of 10 kilogram whose dimensions are 10 into 5 into 6 centimeters, if is placed on the surface with 10 into 5 surface touching the surface, then the pressure applied by that will be equal to how much? 20,000 Pascal. I hope this is clear.
So how did you solve that? I didn't understand it.
Okay. How did I solve that? Okay, so let me clear the board. We'll go step by step. So I'm just doing it again. A quick review of what is 1 square centimeter equal to. What is 1 centimeter equal to? 10 power minus 2 meter. I hope you remember from the previous question, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 centimeter square equal to how much? 10 power minus 4 meter square. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Yeah. So what is area? Area which is C, the pressure is applied only on the area which is resting on the surface. So the what area which is resting on the surface? 10 into 5. So can I
50
write 10 into 5 centimeters? So can I write 50 centimeters square?
Yes, sir.
So in terms of meters, 50 into 10 power minus 4 meters square.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is pressure? Force, I need to find force also. Force equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. What is mass? Mass is 10 kilograms. Acceleration due to is 10 meter per second square. This is 100 Newton.
Yes, sir.
So now let's go for pressure. Pressure is force per unit area. So that is 100 by 50 into 10 power minus 4. So 51s, 52s. So P equal to 2. When 10 power minus 4 goes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power 4.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, right? That's what it is. So others, so this can be written as 2 and 4 zeros. That is 20,000 Pascal. Of course, this is just for your understanding, but this is enough.
Sir, give one more example.
I'll give you, don't worry. We have so many examples to do. Is that clear to all of you? Akshat.
So, sir, it's 2000 pascals.
20,000.
Okay, sir, because you cut that zero and I was like confused.
You got 2,000? Fine.
No, sir, I didn't get 2000. You cut one, it looks like you cut 10.
Oh, do you, no, that is this mark on my board. Fine.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Then it's fine.
So you can excuse that mark on the board. So I hope that's clear to all of you. Chirag is there. Chirag, I think he's got disconnected. Doubts to anyone? If there are no doubts, if you give me thumbs up, I go forward for the next question. Akriti, any doubt? Akriti, any doubt?
Sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
so, fine. Perfect. So what I do is I'll not trouble myself much. So I'll just push this block so that it gets tilted. I'm having the same box, same mass. What am I doing? I'm pushing this way. So I'm pushing this way so that it gets tilted such that now how is the box? This 10, 5, this 5 centimeters comes here and 6 centimeters is here. Can I rub this part? Can I rub this? So I'm erasing this part because this is the solution for the previous question and everything remains same. I wished I didn't rub the question. So question remains same. Find pressure applied by the block. Find pressure applied by the block on the surface, on the ground. Yeah, you have 2 minutes to solve this. You don't have, you can give me the answer in fraction. I'm happy with the fraction also. Ronak, only one answer or is there an option for me?
No, sir, only one answer.
Okay, that's interesting now. Let's see. Fine, it's okay. Even if it is fraction or decimal, that's fine. So I don't want to trouble you much. Yes, Arya.
Sir, I just said yes, sir.
Okay. Ishan, I'm not getting any answers from you. Ishan, Varnika, Akriti, I want you to come up with the answer this time. Ashok, Akshat, same. 15,000 Pascal, 1,50,000. Ashok, I think you need to check your answer. Can you redo the calculations once, quick? Ishan, any answer from you? Okay, so let's do it. I think almost all of you got it correct. 50,000 by 3. I think that's the answer. Let me check. So what is area here? Force remains 100. There is no change in force. What is area? Area is 10 into 6 centimeters square. So that is 60 centimeters square. That can be written as 60 into 10 power minus 4. So pressure equal to F by A, that would be equal to 100 by 60 into 10 power minus 4. So I get rid of zeros, 2 5s, 2 3s. So I'm left with 5 by 3 into 10 power 4 or 50,000 by 3 Pascal. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Sir, it can be 16,666.67.
Yeah, that's correct. 16,666.67, right? So
Yes, sir.
we have a calculator here in the form of Ronak. All of you got it? Is there anyone who is having any doubt in this? If there is no doubt in this, we go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay.